Hello everyone. Want to discover your true passion? Design your future? Then here we are. Welcome to Yashoda Technical Campus, Satara, established in 2011, which is known as one of the top engineering institutions in Maharashtra, also known for excellence in technical education, innovation and holistic student development under the valuable directives of Honorable Professor Dashrath Sagre and the young leadership of Honorable Professor Ajinkya Sagre. With the dynamic leadership, encouraging commitment, passion for education, they have laid the foundation of a progressive student-centric learning ecosystem. Choosing Yashoda Technical Campus is where knowledge sparks transformation, where innovation meets inspiration. Yes, it's all about Yashoda Technical Campus, Satara, where education is not confined till classrooms, but there is focus on nurturing students technically sound, socially responsible too. There are cutting-edge courses designed for the future of students with a wide spectrum of futuristic and core engineering branches, just like artificial intelligence and data science, computer science and engineering, cybersecurity, computer science and engineering, robotics and artificial intelligence, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, Mechatronics engineering. All programs are aligned with the latest industry trends and future-ready technologies to ensure all students remain ahead of the curve. At Yashoda, innovation and research are at the core. Research and Development Cell and Incubation Center offers opportunities to our students to work on cutting-edge projects, publish papers, development prototypes, even launch startups under expert mentorship. Library with thousands of technical and non-technical books, research journals, digital learning resources, advanced computer labs, smart classrooms, high-speed internet across the campus, state-of-the-art workshops and laboratories, dedicated innovation and design centers to foster creativity and technical curiosity, strong industry connect, real-time project exposure, guest lectures by industry leaders, internship opportunities at top companies, industry-sponsored labs and center of excellence. Through all collaborations, we assure you your career, our commitment. Our training and placement cell works timelessly to provide campus drives with top MNCs and tech companies, career counseling, soft skill training. With track record of successful placement and growing alumni network, we make sure every student is career ready. We have focused on holistic development of students. Students are not only technically skilled but also mentally strong, physically fit and socially aware. We have indoor and outdoor sports facility, tournaments, etc. Fully equipped gymnasium and open gym, cultural events, talent shows, social and environmental outreach program, students club for photography, music, drama, coding, robotics and many more. So why are you waiting for? Do visit at Yashoda Technical Campus, Satara.